What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be unboxing the March Nerdblock. The Juice Mine. Let's see what we got in today's block. Ooh, right off the bat. Here, we'll just do this. You can pull the items out. You want to unfold that, buddy? Oh, Devastator. Show it to me first. Sweet. Transformers. Devastator. Alright, grab the next item out. I'll show you guys the inside of the box real quick again. Right, grab it. Got that Nintendo Switch. Ooh.
Can I have it?
Yeah, let me see. Got a green Power Ranger. A water bottle. That's pretty cool. Excuse you. Give me a burp.
Why does it have a...
There's a straw that goes in it. Can I get a burp?
Yeah.
Go. What do we got next?
I think it's a button.
Oh.
Big giant button.
Power Rangers coaster set. Kind of cool. If I had a coffee table.
Oh, here's a straw.
Oh, here's the straw. Stick that in Tommy's head.
Oh, it's a pin. It's a collectible pin.
See. Marvel collectible look-alike. Here, pull it out. Show us.
Huh.
Let me see.
We got, the girl.
She-Hulk. That's cool.
Orange Venom.
Venom would be sweet.
We have...
There's no Nova on here. That's cool.
The official Harry Potter cookbook.
The unofficial Harry Potter cookbook. We like to cook, so we better check this out. This is pretty cool. What do you got there? Hand me that.
I think it's a person.
Yeah, it's a Harry Potter. Little mini lanyard, keychain.
Oh, that's great.
And that's it. Not too bad. Say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Like the video, subscribe, comment down below. Gross. Take it easy.